Hello friends, come along with me. Let's draw and color George Pig playing catch the ball. Let's begin by drawing the shape of George Pig's face. George Pig loves to play catch the ball with his friends. Next, his nose and ears. His eyes, lip and cheek. I'm drawing the shape of George Pig's body. Look, George Pig have opened his eyes. Hi, George. Next, I'm drawing his hands. And he is holding a ball. George giggles and runs after the ball. George likes to play with his big sister Peppa. Do you like to play with your brother or sister? Then, let's draw his legs and shoes. Lastly, his tail. Nice work! Let's add color to George Pig. Bring out the color, Pinky. Fantastic! George Pig is happy and excited to play. I hope you have fun today. Thanks for watching.